Hello and welcome. Today I want to share the most important transformation of my life, how I rewired my mind for lasting success. Not long ago, I faced self-doubt, setbacks, and a feeling that greater things were just out of reach. But I discovered a powerful truth that by changing my mindset, I could change my entire life. Stay with me because these steps could spark your breakthrough too. We all face challenges, moments when negative thoughts threaten to define our reality. For years, I let limiting beliefs hold me back. I'm not good enough. Success is for others. This inner voice kept me from reaching my potential, but deep down, I knew change was possible. Everything shifted when I realized my thoughts were powerful and that I could choose new ones. My turning point came when I decided to stop being my own worst critic and start being my greatest advocate. That decision changed everything. Success starts with self-image. I began visualizing the best version of myself, confident, focused, and unstoppable. Daily affirmations became my foundation. I am worthy. I am capable. I am destined for greatness. Journaling helped me track my growth and see my evolution. If you want to change your life, start by changing your story. What we feed our minds shapes our beliefs. I filled my days with inspiring podcasts, motivational books, and mentors who lifted me up. I stopped doom scrolling and started learning from stories of resilience and victory. Positive inputs can be the difference between giving up and going all in. Your environment is either fueling your growth or feeding your doubt. I sought out people who inspired me, who challenged me to do better and believe bigger. I let go of toxic influences and embraced an uplifting community. Remember, you become like those you surround yourself with. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. I created routines for self-improvement, morning reflection, reading, and consistent goal setting. Progress comes in small, daily actions. Even on tough days, I showed up for myself. Bit by bit, the results appeared. Confidence, focus, and real momentum. The road to success isn't straight. There will be setbacks, but instead of being harsh, I practiced self-compassion. If I stumbled, I reflected, adjusted, and tried again. Each setback became a lesson, not a defeat. True growth comes from resilience and adaptability. Looking back, the process of rewiring my mind for success became the greatest investment I ever made. Today, I face new challenges with optimism and excitement. If I can do it, you can too. Change your thoughts, change your world. Start now. Believe in yourself, because your breakthrough is coming. Subscribe and share your own journey below. Let's succeed together.